content creator and you are wondering how you can monetize what you do and expand, scale your money income potential while creating and doing what you love, then watch this video, because we're going to be exploring different streams of income that you can have as a content creator. Hi guys, welcome to Temitope Bank's channel. You guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much. If you're just finding me out for the first time, how you doing? Hello. Okay, so let's go into what we're here to discuss: how you can diversify your income streams as a content creator. So now the primary way a lot of content creators, especially those on the YouTube platform, make their money is through Google AdSense, right? That's when Google plays ads and gives you revenue for ads that are played on your videos. So that's like the number one way a lot of content creators, when they think of making money, that's the first thing that comes to your mind, that okay, I'm going to get ad revenue and all of that. But as you grow in your content creation journey, or even when you're getting started, you need to have a strategy of earning in order to scale what you are doing and to make it meaningful for you, because it can be frustrating a lot of times when the ad revenue is not really very consistent. Do you get? So now this doesn't apply for a specific niche, so I'm going to give you different ideas, so you are the one that will now think about what applies for me and the content that I am creating. All right, so the very first way you can diversify your revenue is being an affiliate of companies that provide that service, or companies that have that opportunity for you to be an affiliate. In basic terms, in layman language, being an affiliate simply means that you are referring somebody to a product or a service that you have used personally. Now, being an affiliate, the normal way, you're not supposed to pay money in order to be an affiliate of any company or product. All right, it should be that you used something, or you used a service, you used a product, you used a website, you like it. They have a way of rewarding their customers who refer people. So you just, the normal thing that, oh, I bought this microphone, or I bought this mic stand from Jumia, you can check it out, or you can buy it, and you put the link, and the company pays you a commission for that. Because as a content creator, it doesn't matter your niche, whether you're a lifestyle person, whether you're into the educational side of things, you just give educational content, people will always like something that you are wearing. Some people may like your hair, some people may like your clothes, some people may like something in your house or something. So being a part of an affiliate system can help you diversify your income, and it is very passive for content creators. There's some people that do it actively, like that's what they do actively. They do landing pages, but you as a content creator, whether you're on YouTube, I don't know the platform that you use, you can incorporate this strategy of having affiliate links on your site, on your, whether your blog or your YouTube, because on YouTube you have the description box, right? Anyway, we'll do like a detailed video about that, so let's leave that. So that's what I'm saying, affiliate. So abroad, there are different companies. They have Amazon FBA, they have Rakuten, they have all of that. But for us in Nigeria, we really don't have a lot of real affiliate opportunities, because when people talk about affiliates in Nigeria, they're either telling you to pay 60,000 naira to join something more like a network marketing scheme. That's not affiliate marketing. But there are a couple of businesses. If you're interested, let me know in the comment section, so we'll do a separate videos on affiliate companies that work in Nigeria, and you would actually get paid. Second method, the second stream of income, is selling products, your own product. So what is a product? A product is any physical item, all right, that you can sell on your platform, because it's just simple. Business people are looking for people who are paying attention to them, and you as a content creator, you have people's attention, whether it's 50 people, whether it's 100 people. Somebody was saying to me recently that social media has warped our mindset about numbers. If you are in a room with 100 people, you cannot talk to everybody, all those 100 people. I don't know if you get. So now imagine you have an audience of 100, or you have an audience of 200, or you have an audience of 300. Don't downplay it. You can sell a product. Think of what your content creating is about. That's why we always tell people that before you start creating content, have a plan, have a strategy, have an idea of who is going to be watching your content, because it's not just about your content, it's about the other business opportunities around that content that you are creating. If you feel me, say I'm feeling you, prof. All right, say it in the comment section. Okay, so you can sell products, you can sell, if you have skill for making hair. I'm talking about Nigerian audience now. Okay, if you're a wig maker, you can be selling your wigs. Don't wait for another brand to come and sponsor you before you do. Don't wait for somebody else to come and sponsor you before you are in business. You don't have to wait for that. You can begin to sell your own products on your platforms. Okay, so for people that are bigger YouTubers or bigger content creators, some of them may have merch and all of that, and selling products these days is really very easy. There are sites that you don't need to have physical inventory, but you can sell. You can begin to sell. There's in for my own Nigerian context. For the Nigerian context, there's something called drop shipping. So I'm not seeing content creators taking advantage of that. So there are people who have warehouses. There are people. There's a YouTuber here. I'll put her link in the description box. She's an authority on drop shipping. So you as a content creator, you can begin to promote drop shipping products. You don't need to tell people that you're doing drop shipping. But drop shipping, usually there's a warehouse with household items or items there that you can say, I got this thing from so place, and put your phone number or your business phone number, and you're in business. because people, especially those of you that are into lifestyle, you do vlogs and all of that, using drop shipping to sell products on your platform can be a great way to diversify your income on social media. All right, so because we don't have a lot of affiliates opportunities like that in Nigeria that are meaningful, I believe that using drop shipping as a content creator to diversify your streams of income may be a great opportunity. All right, next one is sponsorship. So a lot of people talk about sponsorships, but not everybody really understand how this works. So what is sponsorship and how does it work for content creators? So now you have an audience, right? You have people who pay attention to what it is that you say regularly. Now another business or another business, they see that and they are like, okay, we like what you are doing and we would like to sponsor a segment or the entire video in exchange of you advertising our product or speaking about our product, and we will pay you for it, right? So that's sponsorship. So you have, and it depends on your niche because it depends on what you are talking about. So the advertisers may look like our audience or the people that are likely our target market is in this person's audience, so we want to advertise on this person's platform. So you have a lot of sponsorship deals. Unfortunately for us in Nigeria and African countries, we don't have it as much as those people in abroad and all those other places, but it exists. Okay, it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. One other thing that you can consider, because a lot of times people are waiting for brands to come and meet you, you can begin to reach out to brands that, okay, and these brands don't always have, I'm talking from a business perspective, don't wait for the Coca-Colas of this world or the Maggi of this world. There are smaller brands, okay, there are smaller mom and pop shops on Instagram that they need people to see their products, they need people to know their services. You can adjust your rate to accommodate that, because if this is a business has to make money, a business has to generate income. So you can adjust your rate to say, okay, this is what I want to do, okay, or these are the services that I can offer you. You can promote your business on my vlog or my whatever for this moving on. So I've talked about sponsorship, I've talked about selling your own products, I've talked about affiliates, okay, I've talked about drop shipping. So the last one we're going to be talking about today on diversifying your income stream is digital products. I love digital products because it's something that you can just create and people for the rest of your life will keep on buying from you as long as that is a need. What is a digital product? A digital product is something that's a digital file. It could be an ebook, it could be a template, it could be a video. Yes, you can monetize videos, right? So that's a way that you can diversify your income. So if you have learned something from this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to work with me one-on-one, I want you to check the description box. Maybe you're saying, okay, Tope, I want to create digital products, or Tope, I want to know how to create my rate cards. Okay, I have a service, okay, where I do one-on-one. You can check the description box if you want to work with me. If you want to work with me for a month, if you want to work with me if you just want to have like a strategy call where we can bounce off ideas as a content creator, check the description box. All right, I have different ones. I have high end, I have the one that is affordable, so you choose the one that you want. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles.